So, the first unboxing. You might be wondering what the fuck is this guy doing. I need to wear a mask. Boxes, they came from the UK. You can never be too safe. So it is what it is. I hope you can hear me. First unboxing, really quick. Some sneakers, some clothing. Yeah, so let's get into it. And let me show you what I got. Let's start with this tiny box, which, if I'm correct, it might have my favorite piece of clothing. Okay. And this is a pair of wild sunglasses. It says that they are handcrafted. It says Barcelona on them. So you have this carrying case. Now, initially, the glasses were very expensive, but I didn't pay that much on them. I got them on sale. They look really sick. They have a bit of a tint. Okay, and let's continue with this insane piece. This is the black version of my all-time favorite crewneck. This is a collaboration between Adidas and the Japanese brand named Color. All black, cut and sewn, reflective stripes. All neoprene. I like it a lot. It's really sick, and it has orange interior. So there you go. Really nice. Probably my all-time favorite crewneck sweater ever. Let's put that there. Let's put the glasses here, and let's get into the sneakers. First box. Some paper. They fucked it up. This is what they sent, but this is what I've ordered. Foot Patrol UK fucks it up again. First of all, there is no paper in this box. Second of all, the wrong colorway, man. Alright, so I had to take some pictures and send them an email. I'm starting to get used to it from Foot Patrol UK. These are not that bad, and it's funny because what I've ordered was on sale and these are full price. So that's very funny. This is what they sent. The Response TR in black and white. What I've ordered was a bit cooler. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or return them. I might think about it. By the end of the video, if you'll see an on fit, it means that I kept them. Hopefully, if they didn't fuck this up also, this should have probably my new all-time favorite sneaker. Another classic Adidas black box. Here it is. But let's see. Okay, this one has paper. Oh my god. Holy shit. These are fucking sick. Whoa, I really like these a lot. Okay, let's check the size. Okay, I decided to go with size 10 US, so 44 Europe. So, this is the sneaker. Some people, let's see. Some people said this material is very cheap and flimsy. I don't see that. By the way, do you like my beard here sticking out, looking like a goat? I'm telling you, man, these are really sick. The only thing I would do here is just maybe swap the laces, maybe white rope laces on these. Yeah, ventilated insole with the holes there. This colorway is really nice. These were on sale. I didn't really see this colorway available anywhere. So from a designer's point of view, because I like to think I'm a designer. This logo seems to be a bit lazy, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, I like these a lot. I'm really happy they didn't fuck this up. So that's it, you know, first unboxing. Stick around for a bit of an on feet. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is the crew neck sweater on body. This is how it looks. Very simple, all black, some reflective stripes I guess, but they're more like silver. And yeah, that's it. I really like it a lot. There you go. And let me show you the glasses again, because I don't think the camera was focused. Okay, this is the back part. They fit a bit tight. What does it say here? Made in Italy, and they are from the Lambo collection. So there you go. I really like the fact that the lenses are round, but they are not, and they are a bit rounded here, so you can wear them with hats that have the rounded brim. So this is how they look. A bit of a tint on the lenses, but yeah, this is it. There you go. So I have decided to keep these. So this is the pair that was sent by Foot Patrol, as I just said earlier, and I've customized them a bit. The rope laces, red of course. I have unstitched the straps that hold the laces from the upper, as you can see. I hope you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. This is all unstitched, and also there was another strap that went from somewhere inside here to here. I have unstitched that and cut it for a different look. I think they look even better now. They are very comfortable, surprisingly comfortable. The only weird part is that this material is not waterproof, water repellent, nothing like that, which is weird, because this should be a trail sneaker. And I like this part here. It looks like an arrow, a very nice detail. Let me show you a quick on fit on these, and then the Climacool Vento, the other sneaker from the unboxing.